Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, we are about to end the first week of this semester. So I thought I'd come on here and give clarity on what I'm looking for as far as this class goes to make sure that all of you get the proper information on how to do your assignments. So I'm going to focus on one part of the assignments because the rest of it is simple and easy to understand, but some people may have a little problem with one part of it. So I'm not going to go through anything on here because you already know this. I'm going to click on content, and from clicking on content, I'm going to transport myself into the application that you will be using. I am going to come down here and click on course material. Now, once you get into My Lab IT, I always say click on what we call today's view. Once you click on that, then you can go right into the assignments. As you can see, you can close this box. I already told you about this, so I'm going to click that. And I'm going to click right here. Now, once I get here, I'm going to drag it down to an assignment that I know you will be working on. And it's called Word Chapter 1. It's a simulation. The rest of this, you will be reading through the chapters and you'll be doing quizzes, etc., etc., etc. But here you have to actually do work. You need to know how to do Word. You need to know how to do Excel and all of the particular applications in the Microsoft Office suite. But I know you know how to do them, but let me just show you anyway. So now, as you can see, it teleported you into a Word document. Remember, this is a simulation. This is not actually using Microsoft Word. You're inside of a simulation of Microsoft Word. Now, you see a blank screen here. But right here is your instructions. Your first instructions is down here at the bottom. It says open W01H1 cover located in the document folder. Now I'm not going to click on that because I don't want to start doing the work. But what I will instruct you on, if you have any problems, is to come over here where it says learning aids. You see that? You will click on that and it has read instructions, video instructions, practice instructions. This will literally help you work through the document. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you can know that you have this instructions. Also, make sure you like or subscribe to my YouTube page so you can constantly get feed from me. Right now, I have to email this to you, and that is becoming tiresome. So make sure you just subscribe and they will come to you as I complete them. But this is how you learn how to do the work in here. If you just do not understand how to do Word or Excel or PowerPoint, just click on one of these and it'll walk you through it. This is Professor Sistrunk. I am keeping this video log short.